Hello, welcome, it's nice to meet you.
Hi, it's nice to meet you too. Thank you for having me.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you for asking. Before we begin, may I know a little about you?
Of course. My name is Daniel. I'm 28 years old and I live in Chicago.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. What do you do?
I work as a software developer for a technology company. I've been working there for about 4 years now.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. Every day is different and I enjoy solving problems. I also work with a great team, so it's a positive environment.
That's wonderful. What made you choose this career?
I've always enjoyed computers and technology. When I was younger, I spent a lot of time learning how websites and applications worked. Eventually, I decided to study computer science at university.
That's a great story. What do you usually do during a normal workday?
I usually start work around 9 in the morning. I attend a short team meeting, answer emails, write code, and sometimes meet with clients or coworkers to discuss projects.
Do you work from home or at the office?
A little of both. I usually work from home 3 days a week and go to the office on the other 2 days.
Which do you prefer?
I enjoy working from home because it's quiet, but I also like going to the office to meet my coworkers in person.
That makes sense. What do you like to do outside of work?
I enjoy reading books, going to the gym, hiking, and traveling whenever I have free time.
That's a nice combination of hobbies. Which one do you enjoy the most?
I would probably say traveling. I love discovering new places, trying different foods, and learning about other cultures.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, last month I visited Italy with some friends. We spent a week there, and it was an unforgettable experience.
That sounds amazing. Which city did you like the most?
Florence was my favorite. It was beautiful, peaceful, and full of history.
I'd love to visit Italy someday. Besides traveling, do you have any personal goals?
Yes, I'm currently improving my public speaking skills because I'd like to become a team leader in the future.
That's an excellent goal. Is there anything you're learning right now?
Actually, yes. I'm learning Spanish because I think it's useful both for travel and for meeting new people.
That's impressive. Learning another language takes dedication.
It does, but I enjoy the process. Even practicing for 15 or 20 minutes every day helps a lot.
I completely agree. Consistency is very important. How would your friends describe you?
They would probably say I'm friendly, reliable, and calm. They also tell me I have a good sense of humor.
Those are wonderful qualities. What do you think is your biggest strength?
I think I'm a patient person. I don't give up easily, and I like finding solutions when challenges appear.
That's a valuable skill in both work and daily life.
I believe so too. Staying positive helps me handle difficult situations.
Is there anything you're trying to improve about yourself?
Yes, I'd like to become more confident when speaking in front of large groups. I'm getting better with practice.
That's something many people can relate to.
Absolutely. The more experience you gain, the more comfortable you become.
What kind of person are you outside of work?
I'm quite relaxed. I enjoy spending time with family and friends, watching movies, cooking, and going for long walks.
Do you have a favorite type of food?
I really enjoy Italian food, especially homemade pasta and pizza.
Delicious choice. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, although I'm still learning. I usually cook simple meals during the week and try new recipes on weekends.
That's a fun hobby. Do you have any favorite books or movies?
I enjoy mystery novels and inspiring true stories. As for movies, I like adventure and science fiction films.
Very nice. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'd like to continue growing in my career, travel to more countries, and hopefully start my own small business someday.
That sounds like an exciting plan. I'm sure your determination will help you achieve those goals.
Thank you. I appreciate your encouragement.
Before we finish, is there anything else you'd like people to know about you?
I believe life is all about learning. I enjoy meeting new people, trying new experiences, and improving a little every day.
That's a wonderful attitude to have.
Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure talking with you today.
The pleasure was mine. Thank you for inviting me.
Take care and have a fantastic day.
You too, goodbye.
Goodbye.